Let me tell you how you are going to download your Capcut. Stay with me, okay? Hi. Welcome to class. Welcome to Capcut 101. Class is going to be so insightful. If you've been having issues with Capcut, how to find your way around Capcut, you've come to the right channel, because I'm going to give you A to Z of how to maneuver your way on Capcut for beginners and also for advanced. So you really want to stick with me from the beginning of the class, okay? So the first thing you need to do for me, my love, is to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe and also turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I post one of these CapCut series that you might even be having issues with, you will get notified, okay? So let's dive to the video. Since today will be our introduction class, I'll be telling you how to download your CapCut app on iPhone and also on Android. Yeah, to download CapCut on iPhone, open your app store. Once your app have opened, the next thing you type CapCut, allow this to load, and then you're going to see different editing app. Then you're going to see CapCut. Tap on Get. After you've tapped on Get, then tap on Install. You are either going to activate this by using your Face ID or your iCloud login. If you are using your Face ID, double tap the side button and then use your Face ID. You get an option of either downloading with a Wi-Fi or your mobile data. If you are not using a Wi-Fi, you can continue with download, or you click on later on Wi-Fi. With just these few steps, your app is already downloading. Wait for it to download. It might take time or take few minutes depending on your network. After I finish downloading, it will show you the option of open, and then you open your app, you allow for notification, agree to the terms and condition, and this is how your CapCut is going to look like. So the next one is showing you how to download CapCut on an Android. To download CapCut on Android, go to your Play Store app. On the search bar, type CapCut. You are going to see CapCut Video Editor. Click on Install and wait for this to install. It might take time depending on your network. After a few minutes, your CapCut app is ready and you click on Open. Click on Agree and continue to the terms of service and privacy policy. CapCut is ready on your Android. I believe by now you have learned how to download your CapCut. So the next thing I'm going to tell you in our next video is how to find your way around dealing with the things you are seeing. I know you are opening CapCut and you are seeing a whole lot of things. That is what we are going to be dealing in our next class. So make sure you check for the next video, okay?